If you have photos stored on your smartphone, saving them to the cloud can be an easy and effective way to ensure you don't lose them. In this video, we'll learn how to back up photos to the cloud. Let's start by talking about how to back up your photos to the cloud on an iPhone. These instructions will also apply to an iPad, which is what we'll be demonstrating with. First, let's talk about what you'll need. For starters, you'll need an Apple ID, which is something you probably already created when you set up your device. iCloud is the name of Apple's cloud storage service, and that's what we'll be using for backups, and this is linked to your Apple ID. You'll also need a sufficient amount of storage space for your photos. You get 5 gigabytes for free, which is enough for several thousand photos usually. If you do happen to need more, however, you can always pay a monthly fee for more space. To enable cloud backups, first go to Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the entry that has your name at the top. This menu has information about your Apple ID. Tap on iCloud and you'll be taken to a screen that shows you how much storage space you're currently using, as well as a list of all sorts of data you can back up to iCloud. Photos will either say on or off. If it's on, that's great. You're already backing up all your photos to iCloud. If it's off, on the other hand, simply tap on Photos. We'll just need to tap on the toggle to enable iCloud Photos. From now on, all your photos will be backed up to iCloud. If you have a lot of photos that weren't being backed up, the initial upload could take a while. Next, we'll look at how to enable cloud backups on Android. Android phones are set up to use Google Photos by default. In order to use Google Photos for cloud storage, you'll need a Google account, which is something most people already logged into their device with when they set it up. You'll also need a sufficient amount of storage space. Google provides 15 gigabytes of storage for free, and this is shared among various Google services like Gmail and Google Drive. As with iCloud, you can pay for more space if you need it. To access Google Photos, we'll open the Photos app. You may need to open the Apps menu in order to find it. Once you've opened Google Photos, tap on the account icon at the top right. You'll probably see your name and email here at the top. If you're not signed into Google Photos, tap Choose an Account to select your Google account. Further down the list, you'll see an indication of whether or not your photos are being automatically backed up to the cloud. If it says backups are on, that's great. You don't have to do anything else. If it says backups are off, just tap Turn on Backup. A screen will open giving you a choice of different quality settings. Original quality will upload the full-size photos without any loss in quality. If you want to save a little space, you can select High Quality, which limits photos to 16 megapixels, which is good enough to make fairly large prints. Tap Confirm and your photos will be backed up to Google Photos. Now you know how to back up your photos to the cloud from a smartphone. In the next video, we'll look at how to manually back up photos to a computer or external drive. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching.